How's it going, everybody? Brian Hoops here. Midwest Market Solutions, our closing commentary. It is Wednesday night, October the 18th. Hope you've had a good day. I drove up from Missouri to our Iowa office, and wow, a lot of producers in the fields. Everybody is out there active and busy, and they are running full force trying to get as much done as possible before the next rain event comes. Looking at a chart here, cattle had a real interesting day. This is a continuation chart of live cattle. We had this uptrend drawn on our charts for a really long time. We came real close to it and then rallied today, ended in 80 cents higher, just missing an outside day reversal. The Fed online auction today had a couple sales at 109, and I think that 109 is a little bit higher than 2 weeks ago. Remember last week they had no sales whatsoever. And but we did have a few sales today, and that helped to find us some support. And Packers did raise their bids shortly afterwards, so we had raising bids in Texas and Kansas to 110, and then later in the day we'd see bids at 111, but we have not seen any cash trade yet. That helped to support this futures market, which rallied here today. And we did not see as much of a support in the feeder cattle. They broke through this low here on the continuation chart, so this is a kind of a key support area right here, 149.45 area. We broke below it, but did not close above it or below it. So that's one positive technically for this market here. But no cash cattle trade. We'll be looking to see what cash cattle does tomorrow. Hog market today continues to trade choppy here. We had an outside bearish reversal back here on the 12th of October, followed it up with an inside day higher close. We had an outside reversal day on the 17th of October yesterday, followed it up with an inside day higher close. Now, back in when we had this previous reversal, prices soared higher the next day, taking out some key resistance. We'll see if we can negate this bearish reversal as well. This comes in a period where seasonals are lower here in this hog market. All right, looking at the grains trade today, very limited trade, a little bit lower here in the soybeans. We were down 1.5 cents in beans. Corn, kind of the same thing. We're kind of just drifting here in this corn market. You can see after the report, we rallied up. That was our high day, 354, and we've drifted lower. We're about 349, 348 and a half as we continue just to drift lower. No private export sale announcements, and really no news here to push us one way or the other. So we're left just to trade kind of in this choppy manner for now. All right, we'll be looking for export sales in the morning. Maybe provide us with a little direction, maybe a private export sale to help us out. But until then, we're left with quiet trade. Overnight trade is a little bit better. It's been Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you soon.